Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for always stopping by. I really appreciate you for being here. Please consider subscribing to my channel. My name is Brother Chima and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, it's all about spirituality. On today's video, I want to share with us a recipe that you can use to get rid of any form of witchcraft attack. Whether you sleep and experience somebody trying to strangle you to death, please, this video is for you. Sometimes the witches affect your children. They will stop performing well in the school. In their academically life, they will be done. Please watch this video. It is going to help you. Yes, you have grown-up children, you have grown-up brothers, you have grown-up sisters. They are supposed to be married, they are supposed to be in a good position, but because of the evil environment you live in, or because of the evil foundation you come from, things no longer working for them. Please watch this video. Do you sleep in the night and experience any form of attack? See somebody coming to struggle you. You hear strange voices, you hear strange sound in the night. Please watch this video to the end. This video is for you. Do you feel as if somebody is touching you in the night when you are sleeping, trying to make out with you? Please watch this video. Or do people come to feed you in the night when you are sleeping? Do they come to penetrate you? Yes, please watch this video. Do you always see yourself where you are wearing school uniform in the dream? That is a spirit of setback. Please watch this video. Do you always see yourself carrying firewood on your head or farming inside the farm? That is a very bad word. That is a spiritual attack that will bring delay to your life. Please watch this video because it's going to help you to deliver yourself. Do you always see yourself fighting with animals? Do you always see yourself dog pursuing you in the dream? Or do you always see masquerade chasing you in the dream? Please watch this video. By the grace of God, you will be liberated from every form of spiritual attack or every form of witchcraft attack. Do you have children that cry at odd hours? They cry at 1 a.m., at 2 a.m. They will cry, they will not start crying until it reaches to 5 a.m. Please watch this video so that you deliver yourself from any kind of spiritual attack or spiritual witchcraft attack. Do you live an environment that is a lot of witches and wizards and they operate in that compound? Sometimes you will be hearing all manner of noise in your ceiling. You will be hearing birds singing. Please make sure you watch this video to the end. There is many ways that the evil people used to attack people at night. The witchcraft people have different ways of operating. The only thing you need to do for me is to watch this video to the end. You will be liberated by the grace of God. Do you always see cockroaches in your environment? Why there is no place that is dirty? You are living in a neat environment, but each time you come to your house, you see cockroaches, you see rats, you see kind of things, you see cobwebs all over your house. The witches use it to operate. Please watch this video to the end in order to discharge every form of spiritual attack or every form of witches attack. Yes. Do you normally see yourself fighting in the dream? See yourself in the dream. See yourself in the wilderness. See yourself in the forest. Sometimes you get lost. All you need to do for me is to follow the instruction on this video and make sure you watch this video to the end, and you will be liberate yourself from every form of spiritual attack or witchcraft attack. So the first thing we are going to be using on this recipe is our lemon, and this is my lemon. The lemon, this one is not native lemon. This is English lemon. That is why it's yellowish. Lemon is very, very powerful. We use it to repair evil. Yes, lemon. We use lemon. We have used lemon a lot on this channel. You can use lemon to destroy your enemy. You can use lemon to stop spiritual attack. You can use lemon to stop the plans of the enemies upon your life. Lemon is number one instrument that we are going to be using. Another material that is very powerful we need here is charcoal. You know charcoal, the black charcoal that we used to cook, charcoal that comes out from a wood fire. Yes, charcoal, the black charcoal. I don't have charcoal here, but you will be needing charcoal on this recipe. You will be needing 4 pieces of lemon and 4 charcoal. Yes, 4 charcoal, the black charcoal, not ashes, not ash. I am talking about charcoal. The enemies are afraid of charcoal. Yes, if you know how powerful charcoal is, it's against fighting witches and wizards. Charcoal fight witches and wizards, and witches and wizards fear charcoal. They fear it a lot. Charcoal is that stick that we use in cooking. Anybody or any man who is doing evil things against you, you can use lemon, charcoal, and prekese. Prekese is the last item we need, or iodine fruit. Prekese or iodine fruit. You will use this to fight witches and wizards. And this recipe is done only at night with your iodine fruit, which is called prekese, and charcoal, the wood fire charcoal that we used to cook on the fire, that the enemies, that the witchcraft, that the evil spirits are well afraid of. That is the things that we need. Iodine fruit, which is called prekese or iodine fruit, or osakresa in Igbo language where I come from. That is number 1 item that we need. Number 2 is your lemon. Green lemon, yellow lemon, any one lemon is lemon. You need 4 pieces of lemon. And the last item we need is charcoal. Yes, wood charcoal. Charcoal that comes out from the wood. What you need it is 4 pieces. That is what we need on this recipe in order to stop every witchcraft activities in our life, in order to stop every evil attack in our life. But before I go in to tell you how you are going to use this particular spiritual materials for your own good, in order to end every witchcraft attack in your life, every witchcraft operation in your life, I would like to introduce myself and my product. For those of you who are just coming in for the very first time, who are just coming in contact of my face for the very first time, my name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist, and on this channel is all about spirituality. We share spiritual tips, spiritual messages, spiritual recipes, messages that will change your life, messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your life issues and torment, using the power of the universe and the power of Almighty God and the power of my father's deities, our ancestors, in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. On this channel, we have our spiritual material that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own house, and a lot of people has been buying them. It has been from one testimony to the other, from one testimony to testimony. It has been a testimony galore, and your own, it will not get your own turn and stop. We have the road opening soap for those of you who are passing through difficulties, blockages, disappointment, failure, hatred. We have the road opening soap. This will fasten your things. When you are using this soap, your road will be open. You will be receiving favor. Connection will come. Contact will come. Whatsoever you want, the universe is going to provide it for you. We also have the curse breaking soap in case you are under a curse. No matter the curse that you are under, familiar curse, foundational curse, any curse from your paternal side, from your maternal side, any curse that any man has laid upon your life that is having effective in your future, when you are using this soap to bathe every curse that is following you, this soap is going to be removing them. We have the back to sender soap in case they have been throwing attack, evil arrow, evil attack. They have been bewitching your finances, your business. No matter what you do, things are not working fine to you. People has been sending attack, sending sickness, sending affliction to you. We have the back to sender soap. When you are using this soap to take your bath, every utterances, every evil utterances, every evil incantation, anything any man or any woman has done on your behalf, it is going to return back to sender to them. Any evil utterances. We have the spiritual cleansing bath detox. In case you are here, you have been doing spiritual work, you have been practicing some kind of tips from other YouTubers, and they are not working out for you. We have the cleansing bath detox. When you use this cleansing bath detox mixtures to take your bath, you will see anytime you do spiritual work, anytime you do any little spiritual assignment, you will see God in heaven. That spiritual assignment, you are going to receive testimony upon testimony. Is going to be manifestation of any spiritual work that you do in your body is going to receive manifestation. We also have the Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver, the removing object remover, the anti-witchcraft evil poison remover. Are you here watching me and it is moving from your body, from your head to your toe? Something is crawling all over your body. You are dying slowly. You are losing strength. When you go to the hospital, the doctors will say they see nothing. The diagnosis, they see nothing. And you are dying slowly. It is moving from your head to your breast, from your bodies to your body, to your belly, to your ankles, to your ass, from your head to your toes. This is called moving object. We have the antidotes for that problem. Are you suffering from moving object? How many years has it lasted in your body? Call Brother Chima. Call Brother Chima. I have the antidote to your problem. It is called Equable Plus Detox. A lot of people have purchased this product from Europe, from Asia, from America, from South America. It has been from one testimony to the other. It has been a testimony galleon. Most of my fans who are watching me on here can testify of this product that I am advertising. Whenever I am advertising this product, I am angry in the spirit because a lot of people are suffering over there in Asia, in America, in South America. They are suffering from manipulation of the evil people. People has been manipulating them, afflicting their body with moving objects. But with this antidote, I'm telling you, within 4 days, you are going to get better. I can beat up my chest and tell you that my products are tested and trusted. Just what you just need is to place your order. Call me on the phone. My number is +2347088136610. That is my number. You can chat me on WhatsApp. Feel free to contact me as I am open to communication. But remember, we ship all part of the country. We ship through DHL, EMS, and FedEx. Whenever you just place an order, your order will get to you within a twinkle of an eye. Within an interval of 4 days to 5 days, you will get your order. Thank you and God bless you. Yes, we also have the favor soap. We have the love and attraction soap. We have the 99 demon manipulation oil, demon destroyer. We also have the stop evil oil. We have a lot of spiritual products that you can be using for yourself, and things will be getting better for you. The evil one will never attack you. If you need any of my product, don't hesitate to call upon me. And as you do so, may God bless you. Now, without wasting any of your time, this recipe should be done early at night. Yes, only at night. You have to do this recipe only at night. How do you do this? What you have to do is to get your prekese, wash it, cut it into smaller portion. Then get your lemon. Don't forget that the prekese has to be 4. The lemon has to be 4. The charcoal has to be 4. If you are a woman or you are a man, you have to use it 4, 4, 4, 4. How to use it? You have to get the charcoal, 4 pieces, put it in a pot. Cut your lemon into pieces, put it in a pot. Get your prekese, cut it, put it in a pot. Add water to it and boil it. Boil it for 20 to 30 minutes. Then after boiling it, you have to boil it for 20 to 30 minutes. Sorry, these people after boiling it for 20 to 30 minutes, then you stiff up the water and put it inside the bucket. Then how are you going to use this? This recipe has to be done at night. You have to do this recipe by 3 a.m., by 2 a.m., by 4 a.m., by 5 a.m. Anything excluded 5 a.m., you have to stop it. All you need to do, put your prekese, put your lemon, put your charcoal, allow the water to boil for 30 minutes to 40 minutes. Bring it down, siphon the water and keep it. How are you going to use this recipe? You have to take your normal bath. Yes, You have to take your normal bath first. After taking your normal bath, then you bring the water and you begin to pray against every spiritual attack, every spiritual monitoring, anywhere they have gathered to destroy my family, anywhere they have gathered to destroy me, anywhere they have gathered against my finances. They will never have power over me. They will never have power over my children. They will never have peace in their life. Every witchcraft attack against my life, against my destiny, against my foundation, every utterances of any man, every utterances of any woman that is attacking me, every evil, every witchcraft around my vicinity, every power that is any man or woman that is using to operate me, to manipulate my family, to manipulate my family, to manipulate my children, to manipulate my business, by the reason of this recipe, I say today, as I wash with this recipe bait, as I take this bait, you will never see me. Yes, you use the water and take your bait. You can also do this for your children. You can do this for your children, but after doing this recipe, you go back to bed. By the grace of God, those demons that come to suck your blood at night, those demons that come to scratch your face, those demons that come to feed you a dream, those demons that come to make out with you a dream, they will no longer access you. They will no longer access your spirit. Those demons always coming to make love to you. Those demons bringing disappointment, making you to fear, putting fear in your body. Those witchcraft speaking inside the ceiling, they will run away from you. Okay? Yes. If you do this in the compound you are living, if your landlady is a witch, within a month is going to tell you to pack out from the compound. This is very simple but very, very powerful. Share it. Go and try this. Share this video and make sure you come back here to share your testimony. Share my videos, like my videos, comment on the comment section, and don't hesitate also to subscribe to my channel. Yes, follow me up. If there's anything you want me to do for you, don't hesitate to contact me on WhatsApp. +2347088136610. That is my WhatsApp number. Please, I am begging you, if you need me to do anything for you spiritually, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you once again for coming back to watch me, and may God bless you. Go and try this out. I am waiting for your testimony. Have a nice day.